In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Asana in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a project, collaborating with a team, or simply trying to keep your tasks in order, knowing how to attach files efficiently is a crucial skill in Asana. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to head over to the Asana website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL, or if you already have the bookmark, give it a click. Once you're on the site, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to choose a method as you continue signing in. For simplicity, let's select Continue with Google. By doing this, you can pick the Google account you'd like to use. It's a convenient way to access Asana without the hassle of remembering another password. Once you're logged in and looking at your Asana dashboard, keep your eyes on the left panel. This is your navigation hub, and from here, you can select your project. Simply find the project you're working on and click on it to enter. Now that you're in your desired project, identifying the specific task you wish to attach files to is the next step. Look through your list of tasks and select the one that needs the attached file. Clicking on your task will open up the detailed view. In this detailed task view, you'll notice a paperclip icon located in the top right panel. This is the attachment tool you need, and clicking on it will prompt a menu to appear with different options for attaching files. The last step here is to click on Choose a File. Doing so will open a dialog box where you can browse your computer for the file you wish to attach. Locate your file and double-click on it, or select it and click Open to upload. As a tip, make sure your file is saved in an easily accessible folder to avoid unnecessary searches. Once the file is attached, everyone with access to the task can view and download the file as needed. This seamless process allows for more cohesive collaboration and an organized approach to project management. And there you have it, a straightforward way to attach files in Asana, enhancing your workflow by keeping all documents right where you need them, with the tasks they belong to. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a few times to get comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Happy task managing in Asana.